Here we are at Contra Costa Power Sports, and today we have our 2016 Yamaha FZ09. This triple cylinder street fighter just arrived with only 23,000 miles. Fuel injected, liquid cooled, brand new front tire, adjustable levers, frame sliders. Wait till you hear that awesome sounding M4 exhaust. Beautiful metallic blue paint scheme. Come on by and make your upright naked dreams come true with this awesome FZ09. Prices sell for just $74.99. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Oh yeah. Thank you for Contra Costa Power Sports.